They have a child together.
And how old is the child?
She's like 2 weeks old.
All right, here's the thing. When somebody doesn't want you anymore, you got to accept it and move on. And when somebody doesn't want you anymore, the young people today, they'll break up with you on Monday and start dating Monday night. So you got to let that go. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you do for a living? Court is calling 2026 CR 007852. State versus Anthony. How do you pronounce your last name?
Cibrian.
Anthony Cibrian. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Julie Pollock for Mr. Cibrian.
And are you Mr. Cibrian? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Cibrian, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
All right, you're charged with assault, family choking as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. I'm sorry,
Yes, sir.
withdraw your plea. I don't know why the S is there for recommendations.
Probably should have been an
Thank you. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
If the court grants your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he is.
Mr. Cibrian, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence and with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition or be allowed designated as primary custodial parent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to talk about the affirmative finding and the fine.
All right, what I can tell everybody, if I read the stipulations and if this is an assault choking and it's determined from the stipulations that it's a family member, the court is going to grant the affirmative finding of family violence, whether it's deferred or not. And with the fine, I usually probate the fine.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, the BIP Course. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
I'm sorry, not your plea. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, table offer into evidence. It's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objections.
All right, State, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, State, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
I'm sorry?
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that you follow the agreement. If you could probate the fine, that would be very helpful. He makes $18 an hour. He's got 2 children and a wife to support, so.
All right, is this the person he's supporting, is the person he recently separated from or someone else?
Someone else.
All right, so I'm trying to figure out the timeline. So are you currently married and living with the person that you're married to?
No.
Ah.
At the moment, I'm just taking care of her. Just,
Oh, I misspoke.
Oh, no problem.
yeah, we're not married yet.
They have a child together.
And how old is the child?
She's like 3 weeks old.
All right, here's the thing. When somebody doesn't want you anymore, you got to accept it and move on. And when somebody doesn't want you anymore, the young people today, they'll break up with you on Monday and start dating Monday night. So you got to let that go. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you do for a living?
Try to provide for my family.
No, I mean, where do you work?
Where do I work? Yeah, I work at a Whataburger in Maxine Theater.
Whataburger has changed their hamburgers. I don't know why. It's not the same.
Uh-oh.
The price has changed too.
Yeah.
So,
Well, you need to write and tell them they need to change the plan.
well, then,
All right. There's going to be a $1,500 fine. It will be probated. Affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with the complainant. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 2 years deferred adjudication. 100 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order the BIP course. Once that's completed, 50 hours will be deemed satisfied. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, 50 hours will be deemed satisfied. Field visits 1 time per month for 2 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?